Hello there, it's the 24th of March 2023 this morning. I'm just going to check the root ball on this Acer palmatum dissectum emerulaceus just to see if it needs repotting today. The tree was lifted out the ground 2 years ago, early spring 2021, and I'm going to have a look to see if it needs repotting. What we do is basically tap the sides of the pot. It hasn't rained for a few days, so the root ball isn't soaking, so it should come out in one piece. And we're going to check the sides of the root ball to see how the roots are doing in the 2 years that it's been lifted out the ground. So I've already tapped the sides of the pot. I'm just going to turn it around, so bear with me. So lean the pot over. It's a little bit awkward because there's lots of branches higher up. So again, just bang the side of the pot. Yeah, the root ball's just got to come out there now. And as you can see, there's not a great deal of root in the 2 years. That is all new roots since the tree was potted, but it's not pot bound, there's not a mass of roots, and you can still see a lot of compost, so that tree is good for another year before we check again. So we just slip the tree back into the root ball, back into the pot, and we'll just tidy the surface of the root ball with the weeds and any dry leaves, just to tidy the tree up for the spring. But as you can see, there's not a great deal of root on there, so that's good for another year. And we'll check again early spring next year. And if it's only basically when the roots are so dense, or in a circular pot the roots are going round and you can hardly see any compost, that it's time to repot. So this is absolutely fine for another year. I hope that helps you in your deciding whether you need to repot or not. So check back for more tips on this tree. All that's left to do before the tree leaves out is tidy up the little bits of dieback. Anything that is a different colour, this grey whitish bark which is filled, we just snip it 1/2 centimetre, 1 centimetre past the healthy buds there. And we do the whole tree before it leaves out, so it's ready for this year. Once it leaves out, it's much harder to get into this tree because it's so dense with leaves. So it's just a little bits like that will tidy up, and then you can just enjoy the tree for the rest of the year. Maybe a little bit feeding, but check back late April and we'll start feeding this tree then. Okay, bye for now.